Hey, welcome back to my channel. Appreciate your time. So I've upgraded my transmitter to the Hall effect sensors. So I've taken out the old gimbals that came with it, which are these here, and now why would you want to replace your original gimbals with the more expensive Hall effect sensor style gimbals? Well, I just want to explain this real quick. The issue I was having is kind of an intermittent. I can just kind of draw this out for you here. So basically, as I'm throttling up slowly, I want the quadcopter to kind of maintain a certain altitude. So I'll throttle up to a certain amount, and just at a hover, it should stay at that altitude. And then just to increase the altitude, I just give it a little more stick input, and it should raise up a little more and then maintain that altitude. The issue I was having was, instead of having this graduated line, as I'm increasing the throttle, it should follow this nice smooth line. Well, after a couple years of flying, the original gimbals were giving me issues. So as I'm throttling up smoothly, it would get to this point, but I'm still increasing my throttle, and then all of a sudden it would jump, and the quadcopter would raise up unexpectedly. Instead of being nice and smooth and the quad's raising up nice and smooth, it would like stop raising and then jump, and then it would stop raising and then jump. Well, in between these 2 points here, I'm going to just call it like a dead spot in the gimbal. It was kind of aggravating because I wanted to get a certain altitude, but as soon as I got past that certain point, it would just rise up to the ceiling. So now I've replaced the gimbals, and the best way I guess I can explain it is if you watch this screen, you're going to be watching this one right here. Just watch as that increases, just slowly. Slow inputs. It's measuring just the smallest amount as I'm raising up on the throttle. And then my original gimbals weren't doing that anymore. So that's the best description of why I would say, why would you want to replace your gimbals? Well, after a couple years, the old ones, don't measure up. So I'll fly these and see what it's like. But I appreciate your time, and that's kind of the best explanation I could come up with to why you would want to, upgrade to these Hall effect sensors. Scooter Pie here from the future. I just wanted to let you know that I have flown quite a few packs with the new Hall effect sensors, and they are amazing. I would totally recommend replacing the original gimbals long before they start giving you issues. You have very smooth transitions in stick input. Even the smallest input is noticeable and smoother. So I'm really happy with them. So, hey, I really appreciate your time, and we'll see you on the next one.